the short note. I had to write it on the fly.
Are you guys ready for the most exciting afternoon ever?
Woo. Sure am. What's up? Scorpion tossing? Huh? Lava boarding?
Cracking Bronco busting?
Nope, even better. Ta-da! Welcome to Bleak Beak Island, the ultimate bird watcher's paradise.
Yay!
And check out my birder's field guide written by my hero, Dr. Sapstein. Dr. Sapstein, my hero, says birds are the key to unlocking human potential. Did I tell you Dr. Sapstein's my hero?
Yeah, you may have mentioned it.
Noon, the time birds love to poop. You gotta want to see and feel that. It's a Technicolor Diarrhea Rainbow Shower.
Ew!
Stink-pitted nose wrinkler. I'll just check it off in my bird guide. Pokadilly poot swallow. Check. A red-breasted ringding? Check. Oh, dribbling droopy drawers? Check. Only one bird left, the mocker. No one spotted one in 100 years. Come on, guys. We got a bird-tastic afternoon ahead of us.
Want to see birdtastic? I'm a big-blooded, gas-blowing tooter.
Gotta work on that landing, Tooter.
Check out my mocker calling magic. Auga. That looks more like a booger-picking slime beak. I'm gonna try again. Auga. The mocker! You're not the mocker!
Is that another bird call?
Dr. Sapstein, I presume?
Of course. Are you the talented bird caller I just heard?
That'd be this chatty fellow here. Say hi to your hero, Squirt.
Sap! Sap! Sap!
Couldn't have said it better myself.
My dear boy, your fluency in Birdinese is extraordinary. You shall have the honor of helping me with my lifelong quest.
Me?
Lifelong? I thought this was just for an afternoon.
My top secret lifelong quest.
What's got his pin feathers in a twist?
Oh, don't worry, Dr. S. They're with me.
Very well. With your bird-whispering skills, together we will find the mocker.
This is like a dream come true. Not the one where I have hamsters for hands, the one where I get to work with my hero.
Yeah. Well, guess it's lava boarding time.
I don't know, McGee. Something about that dock ruffles my feathers. So we are gonna do a little bird watching of our own.
Sticky! Sticky! Auga! Sticky! Sticky! Auga! Sticky! Sticky! Auga!
Still no mocker. Must my genius be denied again and again?
I guess that's why I never got bestest helper pin in kindergarten.
Bestest helper pin in kindergarten.
The mocker.
Okay, satisfied, Gretch? The dog's harmless. He's a wingnut, but harmless.
Wingnut. What was that? What was that?
Okay, something weird's going on.
Something weird.
Ah! The mocker?
Fungus. Twigs with a faint hint of mocker berries.
The #1 food of the mocker. We are so close, I can taste it.
I would taste it, but I promised my mom I wouldn't anymore. It's harder than plaque to get off your teeth.
Aha! A quintessential mocker den. Hurry, Squirt! Use your birdie sense and lead me to it! Ah!
McGee munched a million mounds of minutely minced millipedes.
A million mounds of minutely minced millipedes.
This bird can do anybody. Oh, how about Sapstein?
See, I'm not the only one creeped out by Sapstein. Now follow that bird.
Oh,
Yes, yes! The mocker must be close now. I can feel it in my fingertips.
very unusual species. Nothing like this in the guide. Hold on. One at a time. Birdinese is my third language. What? A mad scientist did this to you? And he's right behind me?
You were supposed to find the marker, not my failed experiments.
Easy, easy. We're the good guys, not like old Doc Sapstein. Sapstein! Sapstein!
But Dr. S, your book says birds are our friends. The key to unlocking human potential.
Humans? Ah! Birds are far superior. Now find me my marker!
Unhand our pal, you quack!
You quack! You quack!
A marker!
Oh no!
Finally, the marker is mine.
So this is what my grandma's budgie feels like, huh?
Now that I've got the marker, I have no need of you, you big brain.
But you're my hero! I looked up to you!
Take heart, my boy. You still can. Gene position synchronizer, mitosis amplifier, mood lighting, and one pesky marker. Soon my transformation to Birdman will be complete.
You did all this so you could be a birdman? Ha! It'll never work!
But my sweet child, it already has. The only thing that was missing was my ability to fly. But once I add the marker's DNA to my genetic code, I'll be soaring in the skies and pooping on statues. Too bad you won't survive the process.
You won't get away with it, Sappy!
We'll see about that. Let the transfer begin. Bye-bye, Birdie. It can't be. Impossible!
Well, it is possible that I'm here and I didn't fall off a cliff. Birds of a feather flock together.
Tell me you've got a plan!
Whoops, sorry, feeling the pressure, you know. Hey! Squirt, give me a big-butted gas-blowing tooter!
Gas-blowing toter!
Right.
No fair! I'm supposed to fly, not you!
Time for you guys to fly the coop.
Bullseye! Thanks, Squirt.
Ah! Looks like I have to clip some wings. You little traitor!
Takes one to know one. Need a hand, McGee?
No, but I could use a glove!
You can't stop my unbeatable bird brain! I'm flying! At last, I'm flying!
Sure are, but that's one wide load.
Huh? You and the marker made a mockery of my plans! A mockery, I say!
Mockery!
That's kind of what we do.
I'll pluck you to pieces!
Now you see us, now you don't.
But my keen bird ears can hear you!
Guys, in here! He'll never find us!
Find us.
How wrong you are! Ow!
You can say that again, Mocker.
Say that again.
Caged! Caged like a common bird! I am just like a bird. A real birdie! At last! Caw!
Sorry your hero turned out to be a loon, Squirt.
Dr. Sapstein may have let me down, but he can't hurt any birdie now.
Good, because bird watching is way more awesome than I thought. Up, up, and away!
Bop,